Welcome back to Auto Car Review. The automotive world has long associated the names Mercedes-Benz and Maybach with prestige, innovation, and uncompromising luxury. But what happens when these powerhouses combine forces to deliver a product that's not just opulent but emotionally stirring, visually stunning, and performance-driven? Enter the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Mythos SL vehicle. That's more than a convertible, more than a grand tourer, and certainly more than a status symbol. This is a machine that dares to blur the lines between luxury, exclusivity, and the raw thrill of driving. Welcome to Auto Car Review, and today, we're taking an in-depth journey into the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Mythos SL, a car that redefines automotive luxury in the modern era. The first impression is unforgettable. The Mythos SL doesn't just sit in a parking spot, it dominates it. This isn't your average Mercedes convertible. It's a handcrafted monument to elegance and a bold reimagining of what a high-end roadster can be. The design cues are both regal and aggressive, from the elongated hood, the graceful sweep of the windshield, and the flowing rear deck that culminates in a striking boat-tail design. Every element is engineered to turn heads and hold gazes. The signature Maybach grille up front is a work of art in itself, featuring vertical chrome slats that shimmer with precision-cut clarity. Slim, jewel-like LED headlamps flank the grille, giving the car a sense of focus and ferocity even when it's at rest. While the Mythos SL is derived from the already luxurious SL-class platform, the Maybach Touch elevates it to another stratosphere. The wheels are custom-forged, polished 24-inch alloys wrapped in ultra-performance tires, each bearing the Maybach insignia. The vehicle is finished in a two-tone color palette exclusive to the Mythos line: deep obsidian over champagne gold, midnight emerald over alabaster white, and other ultra-luxury hues that catch the light like a diamond under a spotlight. Open the sculpted door, and the cabin welcomes you into an environment that feels more like a private first-class suite than an automobile interior. Every inch is wrapped in ultra-premium materials: Napa leathers, Alcantara, piano black trims, and rose gold accents. The seats are thrones multi-contour, heated, ventilated, and even offer a massage experience designed in collaboration with wellness experts. The cabin lighting is customizable with 64 ambient colors, offering you not just illumination but atmosphere, whether you're cruising under the stars or parked outside a red carpet event. The Mythos SL ensures you do so in glowing splendor. And speaking of starlight, the folding soft-top roof is another masterpiece. It's not just about convenience. It's about drama. In just 15 seconds, the roof elegantly disappears into the rear compartment, revealing a sculpted interior that looks equally stunning with the top down. Unlike many convertibles that lose their form when the roof is open, the Mythos SL maintains its majestic silhouette thanks to precision engineering and obsessive attention to detail. But the Mythos SL isn't just about comfort and also a high-performance grand tourer. Under the hood is a handcrafted 6.0-liter V12 engine that delivers a monstrous 715 horsepower and 900 newton-meters of torque. Paired with a smooth-shifting 9-speed automatic transmission and an all-wheel drive system, this convertible catapults from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 3.8 seconds. That's not just quick for a car of its size, it's borderline supercar territory. But the power delivery is never raw or brash. It's refined, dignified, and linear, like the engine knows it's moving royalty and not just passengers. Mercedes-Maybach engineers have equipped the Mythos SL with cutting-edge ride control technology, including active suspension that uses camera-based road scanning to predict surface changes and adjust damping in real time. The result is a ride that's velvety smooth over rough terrain and flat as a billiard table during spirited cornering. Even at high speeds, the car remains whisper quiet thanks to state-of-the-art insulation and active noise cancellation. It's a level of serenity usually reserved for private jets. Driving the Mythos SL is less about racing and more about gliding. Yes, it has launch control and performance modes, but the real magic is in how it makes you feel: confident, celebrated. It's a car that commands attention but never shouts for it. You don't have to prove anything when you're behind the wheel of a Mythos SL. The car speaks volumes on your behalf. Inside the cabin, the tech suite is equally impressive. The massive old central display is powered by the latest MBUX system, featuring augmented reality navigation, AI voice assistance, and gesture controls. The digital cluster behind the wheel is customizable and even includes a Maybach mode that reskins the entire interface into an Art Deco-inspired layout. Every touchpoint, from the crystal knobs to the haptic feedback, are exquisite. There's even a scent diffuser integrated into the climate control, allowing you to choose from bespoke Maybach fragrances that enhance the mood inside the cabin. But perhaps the most remarkable feature is the attention to the rear seating experience. Even though it's a two-seat, Mercedes-Maybach has designed bespoke travel accessories that fit into custom storage compartments behind the seats: hand-stitched leather weekend bags, champagne flutes that lock into illuminated holders, and a refrigerator that maintains perfect serving temperature for vintage wines. This isn't just a Caritza lifestyle on wheels. The Mythos SL also comes with a digital concierge service. Using a dedicated Maybach app, owners can schedule exclusive experiences like private track days, curated road trips through Europe's most scenic routes, and even VIP access to global fashion or art events. The car isn't just about driving it, about being part of an elite, experiential universe. Only 500 units of the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Mythos SL will be produced globally, making it one of the most exclusive vehicles to wear the three-pointed star. Each unit is built to order, with a multi-stage personalization process that involves one-on-one sessions with Maybach's design team. Customers choose everything from upholstery, stitching patterns, to unique exterior motifs, even down to the specific wood grain for the cabin inlays. This level of personalization ensures that no two Mythos SLs are ever alike. It's not just about owning a luxury car, it's about co-creating a legacy. The price. While Mercedes has yet to reveal the official starting MSRP, estimates place it north of $650,000 before options. But for those who are in the market for this level of exclusivity and opulence, price is almost irrelevant. This is a purchase guided by emotion, legacy, and status, not a price tag. When you consider what the Mythos SL design, uncompromised luxury, V12 performance, cutting-edge technology, and utter exclusivity, it becomes clear that this is not just a vehicle. It's a rolling statement of power, sophistication, and individual taste. It's what happens when a brand like Mercedes-Maybach is unshackled and allowed to dream, design, and deliver something transcendent. And yet, what makes the Mythos S even more interesting is how it fits into the evolving identity of luxury in the 21st century. In a world moving quickly toward electrification and minimalism, the Mythos SL is unapologetically opulent, proudly analog in some ways, and focused not on efficiency but on experience. It dares to be extravagant in a world that's increasingly practical, and in doing so, it reminds us why we fell in love with luxury cars in the first place. They're not just machines, they're masterpieces. So who is the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Mythos SL really for? It's for the elite few, who already have everything but still seek something truly unique. It's for connoisseurs of design, for purveyors of craftsmanship, for those who see cars not just as transportation but as an extension of identity. This car is a rolling celebration of success, passion, and beauty. It's not built to chase trends, it's built to create them. And as the sun sets and the Mythos SL glides down a coastal road with a top-down engine, humming like a symphony in the background and the scent of ocean breeze mixing with Maybach's bespoke interior aroma, you realize you're not just driving, you're experiencing something rare, something unforgettable. You're writing a story that few others will ever get to live. That's what the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Mythos SL is all about. It's not just the pinnacle of luxury driving, it's a glimpse into a world where beauty, power, and prestige live in perfect harmony. Thanks for watching Auto Car Review. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the most luxurious and exclusive vehicles of 2026, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next high-octane review. Until next time, drive safe, stay curious, and keep chasing automotive perfection.